Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to be explaining to you guys how you can create an image slider or a carousel on Squarespace. So let's get right into it. Now, to make an automatic one, you can very easily just add custom CSS to your images on Squarespace, which I don't know how to do, but you can very easily, just go into the Pages menu, scroll down, go into Website Tools, go into Custom CSS, and add custom CSS code for your scrolling images. You do need to find the IDs for those images and add the appropriate animations. Again, I am not exactly certain how you can do that, but it is available as an option. However, to add a simple carousel, what you need to do, and let me just go ahead and edit my section right over here. I'm going to expand it a bit, and I'm going to go ahead and add a embed block. We're going to add that embed block here. I'm going to make it a bit larger, just like so. We're going to click on it, click on edit, click on code snippet, then go into embed data, and we're going to embed our data here. Now I'm going to be using this plugin by Elfsight. It is the Squarespace image slider plugin. I'll just create the widget for free. As you can see, my slider was already created, so I'm just going to view the widget. It's very easy to actually check to check a template and choose a template and then create a slider by entering your images. But here, as you can see, I already have a slider. I'm just going to click here and I'm going to click on embed code, and I'm just going to copy this code over here. Now I'm going to paste it over here and preview in safe mode because I'm editing the site and I'm logged in. Save it, then exit, and as you'll see, this will appear here. And as you can see, now we have our image slider. Now this, I'm pretty sure, is not automatic, at least the free version isn't. If I go into edit widget, you can edit it through Elfsight directly, and you can go into settings and maybe create an automatic slider through here. As you can see, that might not be available, or rather it is. Just go into auto slide, click that, and then click publish. And now the changes were published. And if I go back to here and reload the page, it's gonna automatically start sliding, I'm pretty sure. Let me just check it really quickly. Let's wait until it loads up. And in just a moment, I'm not sure why it is freezing up like this. Let me just reload it again. There we go. Now it should load up this and it should slide by itself. Now you will have this free image slider widget over here. As you can see, it automatically slides, but you do need to pay for the widget if you want that branding to go away. But that is pretty much it. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.